Hey, hello. I wasn't planning on making this video, but then I was like, you know what, let's make it anyway. So, here we are. I'm changing up this one, because I do have a different version of it, but it's in a whole different household. And apparently, I didn't save the other household I made. So, yeah, this household, I already had a household of it, so don't worry. I downloaded some stuff, so I'm going to be changing there. I really don't want to, because it's really hard, and it's really fantastic of what you could turn a dog into, try to make it really galaxy and stuff. And I mean, it's just so cool. I mean, I kind of wish I was an artist like them, but I'm not. I mean, yeah, I might get made fun of a little bit, but I mean, who cares? So, yeah. I did.
Yeah. Isn't it like Skater Kids?
This is literally straight up look like a cape. Moon cape, yeah!
This is cute. Oh, he does have. That's what I'm thinking about. He has the things on his arms. What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. You guys might not get this one, but Count Chocula, you remember Count Chocula from the cereal? Yeah, like the cereal.
I've never heard of that cereal before.
Heard of that cereal?
Kind of like Sesame
Yeah,
Street.
so we're gonna rename you
No.
Moon.
I'm picturing Count Chocula.
Moon.
Know my cereal mascots.
Moon alive. I don't know why.
People hate when I drop because
No, I can't make it a male fact. Oh, I can't. No, I can't. So this is her.
wow. So like what?
People act. I downloaded this, and when it grows up, I can't show it. But I don't want to fix anything of it. Hold on.
Choice for my.
Wait, is this recording right now? I'm sorry, I can't see it. I'm gonna go yes. So I'm halfway done. But technically I'm not even there. Like, you cute little puppy. I'm working on it, just a little bit. I added, yeah, trying so hard not to mess up right here. So yeah, and why did I make the freaking? I keep on messing up, so like, yeah. It's been an hour. So, that's great. I love working on these for like 2 hours straight. Didn't do that an hour straight because I took a restroom break like 5 seconds ago. So, like, yeah. Also, I had to do under its tail. So, that sucked. Oops. Because it's kind of hard to do under the tail. Especially when you have to know what its exact colors are. So, ooh, I like it. I'm liking it. I'm kind of liking it. I'll be back in like, oh, it's 5:48. I'll probably be back in like 45 minutes. So, like, here. So, I'm gonna be eating because so, this looks turned out more like a pastel dog than I thought it would turn out.
You meant the two-way and not the three-way. I get it. Well, your loss. Have fun making your own balloon animals.
But, I mean, we'll still count her. And, just do one thing. To
Thanks.
her.
I guess Hazel's really feeling the agony of defeat. So much focus. Seriously? Are you growing mushrooms on this thing?
There we go.
Hey, I'm Sky Jackson from Bumpkin.
No.
Disney Channel.
There we go. Okay. Yeah, she's really cute. I do like her. Oh, yes. Yes.
Ladies, great news! Finally got rid of the water rats in the lake. Why would I want to do that? They eat all the garbage. The news is, my boyfriend just asked me to marry him. You're engaged? Someone likes you? There are rats in the lake. I met him last night online on my favorite dating site, Desperately Seeking Anyone. And the
Yeah,
best
this
news
is
is, he's a Nigerian prince. Don't be jealous. Gladys, the Nigerian prince thing is a well-known online scam. Not true. My beloved Prince Matumbo is giving me the largest diamond from the crown jewels for my wedding ring. Let me guess, he just needs you to send him a few $100 to help with the shipping cost? No, a few thousand. That's a lot of bubble wrap.
So yeah, we have this dog, which I'm not gonna change because I'm not saying that I didn't like this. I just don't like how it turned out, and I don't want to turn. You know what? To make it fair, we'll change it, but to make it up, I don't know why I'm doing it. Even though I could have just freaking done this the whole entire flipping time, but I mean. Alright, I do have copies of it, so, or I could just redownload it. I mean, like, you never know. So, yeah. I'm pretty much gonna do kind of like I did with the cat, because what I tried to do for that, it was a complete fail. So, yeah, that sucks. Oh, I know. Yeah, so sorry. We're gonna do kind of how I would do it, but if I wasn't trying to look like a freaking pro on the interweb, so. Stop moving your freaking tail. Yeah. Why am I doing this while why am I just being a big silent recording? I'll do that. Might make fun of me. But I never knew that it was this teeth thing. So it was on this, and then I tried them out. And the only one I really liked was pretty much the bracelets. I know, so I never knew that it was this, I never knew this was this freckle thing, so I put a little bracelet or mole right here. So yeah, so I made this, have a little cape. I'm gonna keep their name the same, so as that one I change it to Moonlight, because it looks like it has a little moon cape on, and she's really cute. So yeah, this is our new family! Yay! So, I'm not saying that, I mean they're awful, I mean they're pretty cute,
Registering for my wedding gifts. Listen, do they have notice if she needs to go down quickly? No, I noticed your parents' checks clearing and I stopped there. Do you like this gravy book?
Oh, I can take them there.
It's not happy here.
Wait, they're in here?
I am, so we've portioned my wedding funds. I want to go home. Sorry, I have two rules. I don't give refunds, and I don't tell the health inspector my real name. Well, do kids ever get kicked out of camp? Only if they get in a lot of trouble. Stolen silver spores.
Yeah.
Trouble's my middle name. Hey, Trouble, check out this fondue pot. Doesn't that just scream Nigerian royalty?
Oh no, what have I done?
You're not fired. Alright, Woodchuck, just because the entire kitchen blew up, which destroyed all the food, so each cabin has been left to fend for themselves. I know, come on. Doesn't people never eat again? All we have to do is find a kale salad with a fig balsamic
There we go.
It's a good thing you city girls are pretty. I think our best bet is to head to the lake and catch some fish. No way. Jorge has been spending a lot of time in the lake lately, and I'd rather starve than eat that fish.
Apparently,
Provides for all. Except for you, Bobcat Cabin Pretty. We should have caught we just any wild fruits or plants. Many are poisonous and could kill you. You know what else could kill you? Starving.
we're gonna
For you guys,
sit.
you're with the wilderness expert. I know these woods like the back of my hand. Where did that scar come from? That's a rock. Now, let us
They're
go
not
with
coming in for
nature
the
and
pups.
the food will find us. These leaves feel like they're exfoliating my skin. It's going to take
Do me a favor, quick. Put this on, take your clothes off, and give them to me so I can wash them.
Never say so. I'm gonna not talking to you. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do a little weird. It's not gonna be like episodes, but it's just gonna be skits. So,
I am so
yeah, bye.